how to create broadcast channel on Instagram. As an Instagram creator, you can create a broadcast channel to share messages like announcements, behind the scenes content and even details, or upcoming collaborations with others on Instagram. Anyone that joins your channel will be able to react and reply to message you send or vote in polls you create in the channel, but they will not be able to send message on that channel. Since your broadcast channels are public, they are discoverable by anyone on Instagram. So, how to make a broadcast channel on Instagram? Here's what you need to do. Okay, just follow the steps. Open Instagram on your phone like this, and then tap on message icon at the top right, this one, and tap on pencil icon at the top right, this one, and you can see create group chat and create a broadcast channel. Select this one. Okay, you can see like this, and then tap on get started. You can type your channel name, for example test, and you can choose audience like this, anyone on Instagram, and you can toggle on or toggle off this option to show channel on profile. If you toggle on, this channel will be shown on your profile with your pronouns, bio and links. If everything is okay, just click create at the top right and you will have a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hope this is helpful and see you in the next one.